Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again, and today we are doing a small DIY on ceramic coating. This is the ceramic coating that I would be using, super ceramic coating. All the links will be in the description. So let's get started with the process. Process will start with a simple wash. I'll do a proper shampoo wash followed by a compounding process where I would be rubbing the paint with a rubbing compound that makes sure that the paint corrections are into place, the scratches are removed, and the last step would be to apply this the ceramic coat, and I'll walk you through the steps into the video now. Keep watching. Alright guys, so first we'll start by removing the panels over the tank. So you can see there are a lot of matte black panels on the tank, and also these fairing parts I'll remove because it comes out as a whole. So once that gets removed, then we'll proceed to coat the whole tank together. I want the whole job to be done together and not into bits and pieces, because if I do it in this way, there are many areas which will be hidden behind these panels and that will never be covered by the coat. So let's get started. Alright guys, so like you can see the basic fairing is out. Basic fairing हमने निकाल दिया है बाहर, और अब इसको जल्दी से एक वॉश दे देते हैं ताकि बेसिक जो डर्ट है वो निकल जाए. फिर हम नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करेंगे जिसमें रबिंग कंपाउंड यूज़ करके जो गंदगी है, जो स्क्रैचेस है मटेरियल पे या सरफेस पे, उसको क्लीन करेंगे. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड नाउ. सम शैम्पू वाटर. Okay guys, so the shampoo that I'm using is of 3M and it's a wonderful car shampoo and I use it personally and I've used it for a very long time. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा क्वालिटी है, बहुत अच्छे से क्लीन करता है and it also leaves a good shine behind, so surface को रफ नहीं होने देता और paint damage बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. So if you want to buy this shampoo, the link will be in the description. Do check out the description to buy the shampoo. The microfiber towels that I am using in this video have been bought from superceramic.com. The link is in the description as well, so you can order it from them. The quality of these microfiber towels are really very nice. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे क्वालिटी का है, और अगर आप इसको खरीदना चाहते हैं तो आप superceramic.com पे जाइए और इसको खरीद लीजिए. Guys, that is my Instagram handle on the screen, so do hit me up on Instagram if you like the content. I also have a Facebook page, you can follow that as well if you are liking the content I am making. Guys, I'm using microfiber towels. That too, these are all two-sided microfiber towels that I'm using. So ध्यान रखिए इस चीज़ का, नॉर्मल कपड़ा मत मारिए because micro scratches आ जाते हैं गाड़ी पे. So use high quality microfiber towels, preferably the two-sided ones. These are available on various websites. I'll link a couple of them in the description. One more thing to note here is I'm not scrubbing off any part. I'm just trying to just sponge every part of the bike where the water is sitting. That way you reduce the chances of scratching the paint or the plastics. Okay, let's start the compounding process and get these micro scratches and stains removed from the paint before we apply the ceramic coat. So guys, I have lost the applicator, so I'll be using a normal rag to apply this. But I would highly suggest to use an applicator because an applicator works the best when applying the rubbing compound. Alright guys, so once the compound starts hazing, we'll rub it with a microfiber cloth and we should be done with the compounding part as well. Alright guys, so now I hope you can see the amount of clarity the paint has. The paint has been corrected, micro scratches removed and जितने बाकी छोटी मोटी चीज़ें थी, स्क्रैचेस, स्टेन्स, वो सब निकाल दिया गया. अब हम आते हैं लास्ट स्टेप पे जिसमें कि हम सेरेमिक कोट करेंगे. पहले टैंक को करते हैं. सो उससे पहले के प्रोसीजर्स एक बार देख लेते हैं. सो इस डब्बे में एक यूज़र मैनुअल आया है जो कि ये है. सो इसमें फ़र्स्ट स्टेप ये लिखा हुआ है कि अच्छे से जो बॉटल है उसको शेक कर लीजिए ताकि अंदर का जो मिक्सचर है वो प्रॉपर्ली मिक्सअप हो जाए, होमोजीनियस हो जाए. उसके बाद पैड लेना है जो कि ये है और इसके ऊपर एक और एप्लीकेटर क्लॉथ है, उसको लपेटना है. फिर उस पर फ्यू ड्रॉप्स अप्लाई करके उसको सरफेस पे लगाना है. सो अब करते हैं. During the application process, what you have to keep in mind is to always apply the coat on a single surface at a time. So right now I am trying to apply the ceramic coat over the tank. So I will be covering the tank. Every small nook and corner should be covered with the ceramic coat and I will let it sit for some time. After the liquid hazes is when we start wiping it off. So spread it equally over the tank. Try to cover as much area as possible using the cloth and the applicator pad that is provided by the company. So once the liquid has hazed and you feel that the coat is now on the paint, you can wipe off the excess liquid using a microfiber towel. It's always a wise idea to give attention to all the nooks and corners for details, because what we are trying to do here, achieve here, is detailing of the paint and detailing of the plastic parts. So take your own sweet time and detail every possible corner. Don't let any corner be uncoated. We want to coat the corners of every single part well. This will make sure that the luster or the shine continues to be there for years ahead. किसी भी पार्ट को आप खाली मत छोड़िए, किसी भी पार्ट को आप अनकोटेड ना छोड़े. हर पार्ट को कवर कीजिए. आप टाइम लीजिए, आराम से इस प्रोसेस को कीजिए. जल्दबाजी में ये प्रोसेस मत कीजिए. जितने अच्छे से आप इस जॉब को करेंगे उतना ही ये जो सेरेमिक जो सरफेस है ये कंटिन्यूड रहेगा फॉर ईयर्स. तो आपके जो मशीन का जो फिनिश है, जो पेंट क्वालिटी है, जो पेंट फिनिश है, जो प्लास्टिक का फिनिश है, वो बरकरार रहेगा. A point to be noted here is on surfaces where there are many edges, very sharp corners or edges where your pad is not reaching, you can just apply the coat using the cloth only. So a few drops on the cloth and apply it. So जहाँ पे edges बहुत sharp है या जगह बहुत छोटे हैं जहाँ आपका वो application pad नहीं जा रहा है, वहाँ आप सिर्फ कपड़े से अप्लाई कीजिए ताकि हर सरफेस पे आप पहुँच पाए उस सेरेमिक कोट को लगाने के लिए. 1 minute ड्राई टाइम देंगे और उसके बाद इसको we'll wipe it off for the last time with the microfiber towel. So this is the layer 2 of ceramic coat onto the tank. टैंक को ही मेनली प्रोटेक्ट करना है, तो टैंक को मेरा मन है कि एक थर्ड कोट भी दे दूँ मैं. देखते हैं इसकी ज़रूरत है भी या नहीं, क्योंकि इसको एक रिकवरी टाइम भी लगता है, क्यूरिंग टाइम भी लगता है. सो उसके पहले अप्लाई करना बेकार होगा शायद. सो आई माइट ओनली एंड अप डूइंग 2 layers of ceramic coats for the tank. मैंने इन पैनल्स को वॉश कर लिया है, इसको जल्दी से सुखा लेते हैं और इस पर भी अप्लाई कर देते हैं सिरेमिक कोट। Alright guys, so इन पैनल्स को भी सेरेमिक कोट कर देते हैं. So I have found out that ceramic coats work extremely good on plastics other than the painted surfaces. So let's go ahead and coat them in ceramic coat. Maybe 2 coats would be enough for them. We will also coat the exhaust with the same ceramic coating. सो जो विंड स्क्रीन है उसमें काफ़ी सारे स्क्रैचेस आ चुके हैं, बहुत जल्दी इसमें स्क्रैचेस पड़ जाते हैं. सो इसको पहले कंपाउंडिंग से थोड़ा बफ कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा रबिंग कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद इस पे सेरामिक कोट अप्लाई करेंगे. So now we are done with the compounding or the buffing of the windscreen. Now we'll apply the ceramic coat. Most of the scratches are already removed. The rest will be covered in the ceramic coat. Okay guys, so by the time I reached the headlamp, I ran out of the ceramic coat liquid that I had ordered. So what I would be doing is I would be ordering one more bottle of ceramic coat and coat the rest of the bike including the wheels. As this was my first experience of ceramic coating a motorcycle, so maybe I overused the liquid a little bit, but I felt that one bottle is enough for a motorcycle. So guys, we'll put back everything into place, and after that what we will do is we will just check if ceramic coats really work. So एक बार देख लेंगे कि ceramic coat के जो advertisements होते हैं जो दिखाते हैं वो काम करता है या नहीं. और जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो कि coated surface पे बिल्कुल पानी नहीं बैठता, so it's absolutely hydrophobic. Whereas if we look at the uncoated surface, you can see the difference clearly here. The water kind of takes time to slide off this surface, and it's a plastic surface. It's a matte black plastic surface. That's the knuckle guard over there, and the difference is very evident, as you can see, the way water reacts to the surface. Ceramic coats also provide mild abrasion resistance. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, do shoot down a comment. Thanks for watching guys.